few pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. It's got a bit of potch mixed with it, so don't know what you'll end up with that, but it's quite thick. This piece, little band colours going around this way. It's a bit of nothing, but it's free. It's got a bit of colour there showing on the top, a little bit of red, pink, greeny colour. Might be a little stone under that, just under there. Last piece, another bit of potchy colour stuff. There's a colour showing there, sort of crystal type material. So that might end up at quite a large stone. That's the top. There's my thumb for comparison. There's a rule. It's all the material's wet and the rule is in millimeters.